This 2024 Winnebago Solis Pocket 36B is a Class B RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 17 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 2, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, spare tire kit, water heater, LP detector, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, external shower, stove top burner, smoke detector, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath. This 2024 Winnebago Solis Pocket 36B is built on a ProMaster chassis and is powered by a Pentastar VVT engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.